Plus it's a private
57s then, yeah?
57s, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah. Is that boat going to survive?
They put one in fucking Elmo's asshole. Let's see if he takes off. It's quite heavy.
Send him to the moon. What else you
Send him
got
home, you mean? Well, one in the unicorn, mate. Pot of fire, I reckon, the unicorn.
What are you doing, Pat?
I'm playing with Pat.
Sending Pat to the moon.
Pat is going on a trip.
Pat's going to the moon.
I reckon about here, wouldn't you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Round his chest.
He's had a boring job all his life.
Yeah, some excitement, mate.
Now he gets to have a bit of
I
excitement.
know how you feel, Pat. Don't worry, mate. Right then.
Alright, all clear, baby. See you later, Pat. Oh, crap.
Oh shit!
Oh my god. That was like a bomb. That was like a bomb went off.
That was mental.